The Van Dusen Botanical Garden Visitor Center, located in Vancouver, British Columbia, is a LEED Platinum visiting facility that pursues the Living Building Challenge. The project was led by Peter Busby of Perkins and Will Architects with the intention of balancing architecture and landscape by supporting biodiversity and ecological balance within the site. The organic form of nature and the surrounding landscape of the site is considered and integrated into the design of the building's geometry. Inspired by orchids found in British Columbia, the green roof is shaped like petals, which angulates and flows organically. The roof reaches the ground plane, allowing the local animals to access the green roof, which is adorned with native plants, creating a seamless connection between the building and the landscape of flora existing there. Another expression used is materiality. Wood is primarily used as it is a regional material of the Pacific Northwest. Finally, the building's connection to the site is expressed through orientation. The team learned from the client about how spaces were occupied and designed around it. Evidently, 85% of spaces have views to the outdoors. The Sunac Guangzhou Grand Theater by Stephen Chilton Architects is a cultural performing arts theater located in Guangzhou, China. Guangzhou is the birthplace of the Silk Road and has been a significant center for arts and trading. The intention is to channel the history, emotion, and creative energy of the city through a building whose purpose is to nurture the next generation of cultural leaders in the performing arts. Silk embroidery has a prominent history among the artists of Guangzhou and is what informs the geometric expression of the theater. The facade of the building includes what looks like 10 twisting folds of a silk fabric, and each opening is defined by the surfaces seemingly tucking in on itself. The details of the facade further connect the building to the context of the city by using digitalized illustration of a local tattoo artist on the surface geometry. This connects the building not only to the historical context of the site, but to the modern artistic context. Overall, while the Sunac Grand Theater connects well with the context of the site, the context is broad and this theater can be constructed anywhere else within the city. There is not as much consideration of the surrounding landscape to tie the building to the site. The Van Dusen Visitor Center, on the other hand, is more successful as it considers the aspect of place beyond just the context of the site. It actively integrates the site environment into the building design elements through materiality and geometry. This also allows the living systems of the site to drive the design.